In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can delete saved passwords from Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, you can click on the password that you wish to remove and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on Delete next to Edit. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!